Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing really well. So for today's look, it's going to be a little bit different than usual. We're not going all gruesome, but we are still sticking with the Halloween theme, hence why the pumpkin background is back up again. But yeah, going to be doing more beauty styled Halloween makeup. So let's start by getting these eyebrows on. Go back with the usual.
Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Oh, let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Oh, let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie.
So now to base the eyes. So taking your P. Louise Rumour base, let's base them.
Let me feel my boogie. Move your body, baby.
Right guys, so now the base is on. I am going to be using the Larocpro, I think that's how you say it. I do apologise if I have said it wrong. But yeah, I'm going to be using the Artistry Book today, and I'm going to be using the shade Cloud first to start off with. So let's get this colour down on the lid. So now the black is in place, we're going to take the shade Burn, which is this orange shade just here, and blend around the outside, as well as using the shade Circus as well to blend out then the orange shade.
Yeah. Let me move your body. Let me move your body.
Right guys, now the colours are on. They're not really blending very well, so it probably does look absolutely shocking. But we're just going to keep going. If I don't like it, then I'll probably have to redo it. But yeah, time to do the underneath with the black, orange and yellow again. So now the colour's in place guys, I'm going to take some orange Snazaroo face paint and a really small detailed brush, just so we can draw in the pumpkin lines. That's what I'm wanting on the lid of my eye.
Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Oh, let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Move your body, baby.
I know they are a little odd guys, but like I've said in many previous videos, I do this without any contacts or anything, so I'm giving them my best shot without glasses. So yeah, here's the little pumpkins. So now let's put some lashes on, do our waterlines, maybe a little bit of glitter in the middle of the eyes. Right guys, so the eyelashes are on. I've used some NYX pigments just in the corner, and I have put a little bit on the eyes. So now it's time to get the base done. So foundation, concealer and bronzer. So let's get that done with.
Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body. Let me feel my boogie. Move your body, baby.
Now time for contour and highlight guys. time for the final thing, which will be our lipstick or lip gloss, whichever one you decide, guys. And I'm going to go in with some black lipstick.
Yeah, let me move your body, oh, let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body, let me feel my boogie.
Right guys, now the lipstick is on, we are done. Hold on, actually.
Let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body, oh, let me feel my boogie.
And there we have it, guys. This is the Beauty Pumpkin look. I did pair it with some Trick and Treat earrings, a little black choker, and a Halloween slogan top. So guys, if you do like what you see, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Let me move your body, oh, let me move your body, oh, let me move your body, oh, let me feel my boogie. Let me move your body, let me feel my boogie.